Look at how pretty this rug looks. I leveled it today. It's looking so beautiful. It has ghosts on it, but I do wear a mask while I'm carving because of all the fibers that fly around, and I don't want to like breathe them all in. So yes, everybody say hello to Buzz. I haven't labeled him yet, but I will. You have good control with this. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I've gotten a lot of questions, like of how to actually get into carving your rugs because it's so scary. Because once you make a cut, oh, I should make a Buzz emo. That's a really good idea. Buzz emo incoming. Oh, should I give him googly eyes or is that lame? Maybe like a couple of googly eyes right here. Oh my god, this is gonna be so beautiful. How do you keep from cutting too deep? Let me think. Hold on. Let me like do something and then maybe I can answer. It's not like I'm pushing it in as far as it kind of wants to go because the rug isn't like too thick. So I am pushing it in and like dropping the corner in basically and just following that line, keeping the corner of it right in the like where the two colors meet basically as best as I can. But I am pushing it in like all the way. Obviously not all the way to like, I'm not shoving it in so that it goes to the bottom. I do kind of want to cut deep so that it has like a nice, the material itself kind of keeps it from cutting. Yes, exactly. I don't think I could cut, like let's say I really shoved it in there. I don't think I could cut to the bottom because there's, you know, so much yarn and so much like material in the way. I don't think it would work. A Sharpie pupil on the red button? Oh my god, you're right, because this is teeth, isn't it? Yeah, that's the rest of your... Oh my god, you're so right. Also give face. The blue vent thing looks like a mouth. Wait, yeah, so y'all, what do you think? Do we want googly eyes here? Or should I put an eye on the button so that this is Buzz's mouth? I love that. Robot Buzz. I'm wondering if I could get a small enough googly eye to fit on the red button. Look at that. It's so perfect. Nice and rounded, crisp. How's it going? It's a baby. I'm gonna have so much fur on my face after this, but it'll be worth it. It's a tight squeeze between these cherries right here. Wait, Gina, there's a V-shaped rug carver. That's interesting. Huh? So it would go in between the lines? And so it carves like this does. Like clippers, kinda. And maybe I should get one so we can try it. Dude, look at this! Are you laying your balls on that? Vacuumed yet. But look at this. Look at all those chickens. Wowee. It looks so good. Oh my god. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah. And before carving it, it looks like this. So yeah, it's really cute, but carving it, ooh la la. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. I'm completely... It looks ridiculous. Like, it's so crisp and, like, perfect. It's so, like, rounded and it's so, like, smooth. You know what I'm saying? It looks so good. I don't know what possessed me to make a rug of cherries, but I'm not mad about it. Like, even a little. Oh my god, I love the emote thing. The emoji thing. So cute. You just bursting through the door? Your little Pomeranian and your job is to destroy the house before the party? That sounds amazing. That sounds like a lot of fun. That was not what you thought it was. It was me sliding on my chair. But say hello. She's crazy today. Oh, sorry. Yeah, she's probably on my mic right now. You're on the mic. What do you think? There we go. Thank you all so much for another amazing stream. There were like so many subs today, and I'm so grateful for y'all being here. This is just like the coolest thing.